Imagine a world without scissors. A world where fabric couldn't be neatly snipped into fashionable clothing, paper couldn't be transformed into beautiful art, and that stubborn packaging wouldn't yield to your desperate attempts to access its contents. Thankfully, we don't live in that world, and we owe this convenience to the humble yet ingenious invention of scissors. The story of scissors begins in the distant past, with no precise date or inventor to credit. Instead, it's a tale of collective human ingenuity. Early scissors were simple and single-bladed, resembling shears more than the scissors we know today. Crafted from materials such as bronze, iron, and even animal bones, these early versions had one pivotal feature in common: a pair of blades that came together to cut various materials. Our journey takes us to ancient civilizations: Egypt, Greece, and Rome, where scissors were independently conceived and developed. Each culture brought its unique style and design to the tool. In Egypt, they crafted scissors with ornate handles for precise hair cutting, while Greek scissors were more utilitarian, perfect for cutting cloth and leather. The Romans, on the other hand, left their mark with pivoted scissors, which allowed for smoother and more efficient cutting. As we venture into the Middle Ages, we find scissors taking center stage in Europe. During this era, scissors underwent significant refinement, gradually resembling the familiar, dual-bladed form we use today. Tailors, artisans, and even common households embraced these newfound marvels, as scissors proved indispensable for shaping fabrics, creating intricate designs, and mastering various domestic tasks. The dawn of the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries marked a pivotal moment for scissors. Advancements in manufacturing techniques allowed for the mass production of scissors, making them more accessible and affordable. This transformation democratized their use and further solidified their place in our daily lives. Today, scissors come in all shapes and sizes, fashioned from materials as diverse as stainless steel, titanium, and even high-quality plastics. They're indispensable tools found in every home, office, and workshop. From crafting and artistry to the precision required in surgical procedures, modern scissors have adapted to meet a vast array of needs. As we conclude our journey through time, we must appreciate the rich history of scissors. This seemingly simple invention, born out of necessity and honed through generations, has revolutionized the way we shape and create the world around us. So, the next time you reach for your trusty pair of scissors to tackle a task, take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey this unassuming tool has made throughout history, connecting us with our ancestors and empowering us to craft our own destinies, one precise cut at a time.